Higher chemist, this one is for you. If you struggle to tell if a reaction is exothermic or endothermic, then this trick might help. If you're trying to decide from a reaction pathway diagram if the reaction is exothermic or endothermic, the best thing to do is to look at this graph as a trip to the cash machine. So along the bottom, we'll pretend that this is time, and up the side, we'll pretend it's money in your bank. So at the start of the reaction, you've got to the cash machine, you check your bank balance, and you can see you have X amount of money in your bank. You then press some buttons, and by the time you leave the cash machine, your money or bank balance is down to here. Because your bank balance has dropped, that's like you've taken money out, which means as far as the reaction goes, there's energy being released, like you've taken energy out of the reaction. So because your bank balance is less by the time you leave the cash machine, that means this is an exothermic reaction. You have taken energy out of the reaction. If we look at this one here, another example of approaching the cash machine. So we get to the cash machine, our bank balance is here. We then press some buttons, and by the time we leave the cash machine, our bank balance has gone up to here. Our bank balance is increased, which means the energy has gone into the reaction. So that is an endothermic reaction. So just remember, exothermic is energy out. The enthalpy change will be negative, like taking money out at a cash machine. And if the energy goes up, that is endothermic, just like putting money in at the cash machine. Hope that helps. Bye.